With the IVo Steam machines, you never need to worry about the boilers getting scaled up. Now that's quite a breakthrough with steam machines, as I'm sure you'll be aware. That is a problem with pretty much every other steam machine on the market. They scale up over time, particularly in hard water areas. But with the IVo Steam machines, both the Tekna and the Athena, the 4.5 bar and 8 bar versions, they have a self-descaling ability. This means as the steam is produced, yes, it does produce a little scale in the boiler, but the structure of the boiler means it expands and contracts, which means that the scale is broken up and comes out with the steam. A very unique feature, and certainly extremely useful when you're doing so much steam cleaning and you don't want to have to cope with the machine breakdowns.